Hello everyone, and welcome to Ecom Street. In today's video, we will be explaining how the Facebook algorithm works and how you can use it to your advantage in your own Shopify dropshipping business. Let's get started. Understanding the Facebook algorithm will help you have a better knowledge base of how to understand your ads and become very successful at it. With the information you acquire from this video, you will be able to apply it to your own business. Now, understanding the Facebook algorithm. The Facebook algorithm revolves around biases. These biases are used so that Facebook can favor the best quality advertisers and deliver them to their most engaged users. You must understand that Facebook has many biases, so we'll only be discussing the main ones. The first Facebook bias is the financial bias. One thing the Facebook algorithm uses to measure the success rate of its ads are the amount of money that you spend on the advertising account. Facebook trusts and highly likes when people spend lots of money on the Facebook platform. By doing this, you're telling Facebook that you're willing to spend the money to have your ads shown to millions of people around the world. When the algorithm realizes that Facebook trusts you, you will have leverage over the other advertisers and bids on the Facebook platform. Along with this, the payment method that you use on Facebook also comes down to trustworthiness. For example, if you use a credit card versus a PayPal account, Facebook will much rather prefer the person using a credit card. The person with the most accessible cash flow will be in favor on Facebook. Now to move on to the second Facebook bias, the engagement bias. Facebook wants its users on the platform to be engaged as much as possible. As a measure of human attention and attraction with a post, an ad allows the user to become connected and highly interested in what is posted. The algorithm starts measuring engagement by people scrolling down their feed. To create engaging ads, you must understand the minds of people in your market. Once you understand who your target demographic is, you can create engagement by inverting popular beliefs, countering cultures, polarizing opinions, exposing corruption, extreme truths, and warm-hearted posts. Facebook also looks at the creative text that you use in your ad. For example, positive and negative text will change the results of how your Facebook ad will perform. By using positive text, Facebook sees this as an engaging and positive experience for the user. This will allow the user experience to be much better and have your ad shown to many more people, and also keeps people on the platform. When you use negative text, Facebook will notice that there will be more of a chance of your ad getting disapproved because it results in negative feedback to the user. Now to move on to the third Facebook algorithm bias, the consistency momentum bias. The Facebook algorithm loves consistency, and if you're a reliable and trustworthy person on the algorithm, Facebook will see this as consistent use throughout the accounts and pages that you're using. Facebook will also look at the landing pages that you're using as well as the content that is shown on there. If the content is approved by Facebook and liked by Facebook in their algorithm, your ads will perform better over the other advertisers. One thing to mention that if two advertisers are competing for the same amount of traffic and all things are equal, Facebook will much rather go to the person who is being consistent on a daily basis. The person who is spending more money than the other advertiser will also be in favor of this. At the end of the day, whoever is more consistent and reliable in terms of all these factors and biases, the advertiser with the best experience and best consistency will win. That wraps it up for this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed us talking about the Facebook algorithm biases and how you can use them to your advantage in your own businesses. Feel free to subscribe, like this video, and even share with a friend if you thought it was interesting. And we'll see you guys in the next video.